Camera for Cam's Mortgage Minute, November 2nd, this fine Friday. Well, we're beginning a weekend. I just thought I'd follow up on what I talked about yesterday. I got an email from somebody who watched our YouTube video, and they asked me, they said, does this mean that he was a self-employed painter, he said, does this mean that I can't get a mortgage anymore? I said, absolutely not. Just because those rules have changed doesn't necessarily mean you can't qualify for a mortgage. Provided the fact that we have all the necessary documentation to satisfy what a lender requires, things haven't changed. I mean, the bottom line is if you're self-employed and you've got provable income and the ratios work, hey, we can still do high ratio mortgages for you. You're not capped by this magic 65%. So that has no relevance on that, just to clarify that for those of you who do file income taxes regularly, show lots of income on your income tax return, have good credit, have no issues that way, and all the ratios fit with what you're trying to buy, we can certainly look at that, and we are not limited by that 65%. For those of you, as I mentioned yesterday, that don't do any of this, that don't show much income, and that's certainly going to pose an issue, we do have lenders that are stress testing these deals, looking at them a lot tighter, and I've seen that over the last month. I would say I've seen deals get certainly more challenging. Again, that's not to say they can't be done. We are getting them done. They are taking a lot longer, but hey, this is part of the business, this is part of the change that occurs. Overall, I'm finding that I'm seeing some more activity happening as far as housing prices. We'll see what the numbers look like the next few days because the real estate boards will report. I'm expecting we're going to see a bit of a decline. I've noticed that in pricing and listing prices and everything else. But overall, we're still seeing people out there. I mentioned I did a home show a couple of weeks ago. People are still out there looking, and I'll tell you what, they know how to spot a bargain and a deal when there is one. Houses are selling. I've talked to a realtor who listed a house and within 2 days had it sold. But again, he also had it at a price that was much more attractive than the previous listing. So people have to be realistic. So bottom line is, you can still get mortgages if you're self-employed. There's still lots of good property. There's still good deals out there. So give us a call. It's Cam the Mortgage Man. It's Cam at the Auxilium team. You can reach us. We'd be happy to help you out with your mortgage needs. Enjoy your weekend, and I look forward to talking to you on Monday.